Hello, lovely thinkers. What if I told you your brain is running programs you never actually chose, which is the reason why you feel stuck? My name is Ash, and today we are going to open this mystery. Like invisible lines of code controlling your habits, your choices, your future. And here is the glitch: every bad habit you are ever had, it's not really your fault, it's just a bad code. And the good news: bad code can be rewritten. See, your brain has one job: efficiency. So it builds shortcuts that we call habits. You wake up, brush your teeth, your phone buzzes, you pick it up, then you go for a doom scrolling, then you start drinking or opening the fridge and started taking food. This thing you did it for over a period of time continuously, like a habit. And these shortcuts hardwire themselves into permanent loops. But these loops give you the triggers. These simple habits which you already doing make some very crucial triggers for those habits which you don't want. Psychologists call this the habit loop, which is trigger, routine, and reward. Engineers would call it an infinite loop, and you probably just call it being stuck. But here is the thing: what if I told you every single loop has a weakness? Yeah, here is where it gets scary. The habit loop works like a malware. It hijacks your attention and keeps rewarding you with these tiny bursts of dopamine. Scroll, click, repeat. The brain doesn't care if this routine destroys you. All it cares about is that the program keeps running smoothly, because it is always thinking about efficiency of saving its battery. That's it. That's why you can swear you will change at midnight and then relapse by the next morning. You're not failing, the program is just winning. But remember, every algorithm has a backdoor. Here is what neuroscience shows us: you can't actually delete a habit. Yes, you can't delete it because it is hardware. It is actually a neural pathway built in your brain. But you can reprogram it. Think of it like a patch update. Same trigger, new routine, same reward. So let's take a stress. Old routine is junk food, and the new routine could be take a deep breath. If a phone buzzes, the notification came, your main old habit is doom scrolling. But the new routine can be write down one quick note of gratitude. This will give you simple dopamine hit, but now it's getting healthier. Every time you swap in a new routine, it's like installing an update. The old program doesn't vanish, but it weakens. The new one gets stronger, and eventually the patch becomes permanent. The neural pathway becomes stronger. And here is the kicker: what if you could update not just your habits, but your entire operating system? Think about it: every thought, every belief, every fear, it's just a code written by your past. But code is never final. Neuroplasticity proves this. Your brain literally rewires itself every day, every single day. The real question is, are you the one programming it, or are you just running someone else's script? Here is the truth: you're not broken, you're not weak, you're not lazy, you are programmable. And the greatest programmer of your mind is only you. Yes, your brain is an algorithm, but you are the coder. So tell me, what's your next update?